na chari chairman.
Which is chairman. Agero makumya kwa mkago.
Mpaka. Watachinyo wacharika. Nevare.
You can take the picture.
Stafayo abandi barasigara baramupereza. Uyachitekaho ibindi byona biravuze. Mwami Valence. Ibizimbe by'ibirasi bibiri
mukate ndigatarama. Atujya kurunda ba water engineers na geologists. Bije baronde ndwara aha bagitambi.
Second has the question.
Will tell you about the 10 lepers. So the 10 lepers, only one came back. Hati itweni UPDF nite turukugaruka. The leper who has come back, kwebaza omurimo ugumu akozire habo kutuyamba kununura ihangeri. Ninyenda kuhendera ndi kusima UPDF habo ebimukozire in such a short time kure kandi biri ha mutindo ng'abantu bona kuba abasima abagireyo kubireba mwebare munonga kandi mugumize mu mutyo kanto aro mugishoku. Therefore, although I handed over there to announce that I have handed over now officially the 4 projects to the people of Chinjizi, of Kanungu district, as we are mentioned. Thank you very much.
Maybe for Mosa to convey the warm greetings from the Chief of Defense Forces to thank the people of Chigezi sub-region and specifically the leaders of Kanungu district, in particular for the great hospitality, cooperation, and the steadfast support extended to the UPDF throughout the time that these projects or activities were undertaken. As His Excellency the President and the Commander Chief of the Armed Forces and the Judge of the Bazukuru, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, always says, and I quote, the UPDF is the force of the people built on their support and sacrifices. End of quote. So it is in this spirit that today we are here to hand over these symbolic projects to strategic allies, the people of Uganda, and particularly the people of Kanungu district today. Today we have handed over, sir, 2 classroom block at this school, at Kangarame Primary School. We also handed over a 5-stance sanitation facility at Kishenyi Primary School. We also handed over a footbridge that joins Kihanda, the bridge that joins Kihanda sub-county and Kambuga to facilitate movement of the people within these 2 sub-counties and the whole district, and the Muchanda footpath bridge linking Chihihi Town Council to Nyachikoni and the Katate sub-counties.
Hati nyewe ngiye mu kitebe ndimo kurepresentinga umukama witu Major Henry Masku okukorera ebyo butegeki omu mahege y'ihanga, kandi niwantumire kugira ngo tuje tusibe nimwe turajaguza amazarirwa gitu gamahe. Nimbasima mwena kugira ngo bwire butumazire nimwe tihine nshobe eyitukozere hanuye hatiya twaheka muheru gwo kuhendura byone bitubire turakora, nitubebaza kugira ngo mwikirize abashaho bitu babatambire, nitubebaza kugira ngo mwikirize tuhinge nimwe miti kukondora Kanungu no kubahebirabo abo kwito twaturajaguza amazarirwa gitu umwanya gwo kutubirabo ito nito turagira ki turabihebirabo konkani tubasima kugira ngo mushemerirwe mwayikirize birabo byitu mwebarire dara. Urugendo rw'itu rw'amahege y'ihanga rukatandikira forerimu aho presidenti yijire akije mu Uganda kutuzahura kuyahikira mu Uganda ibyo bakaba barageta Foreigners Front for National Salvation kutahikira mu Uganda twaba Popular Resistance Army twahinduka twaba National Resistance Army konka kuba kozera constitution ya Uganda batwita Uganda People's Defense Forces. Hatiya constitution ya Uganda baratwita Uganda People's Defense Forces. Habo kuja mutukateka hakantu people ito tuturi mahe gabantu turi mahe gachi abantu nimwe bakama bitu mwaje mututaka kore iki tutikachikora mwaje mutukore iki nitwe turagira ki turakora.